Hello, my friends. In this video, we'll draw together a strawberry with chocolate. You'll see how simple and easy it is. So let's go. First, I draw the base shape and I fill it with colors. Using airbrush tool, I add basic shading. I add dark chocolate shadows. Using pen fade brush, I add deep shadows. And I add highlights to the chocolate. Using pen fade brush, I fill pip shadows with yellow pips. I use smudge tool to make pips look more natural. Now, I add highlights to strawberry going around the pip shadows. And I adjust its shape with a razor tool. Now I draw leaves. I fill it with basic color. Leaves are different shades of green, so I add shadow underneath. Then, I draw lighter green lines on the leaves for details. And here's the result. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please tell me in the comments if it was helpful. Don't forget me with a like and subscribe.